Thank you, 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 thank you. Thank you for watching this wonderful episode. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful episode. Wow, I know you enjoyed this. Look at that smile on your face. This smile you're wearing shows that you enjoyed it. See, even if you don't enjoy this very one, it is your right not to enjoy it because I cannot force you to enjoy what you don't like. But then, if you don't enjoy this one, the next one you might enjoy it because another man's food is another man's poison. You can see that. Ah! Oh! All right, another wonderful message I have to give to you is there are so many fake accounts on social media today. I want to officially announce my official handles, please, so that nobody will tell me he or she has fallen a victim of scammers. My YouTube account is Chief Imo Comedy. You see the way they spelled it on the screen. Please make sure you follow exactly the way it's written on the screen. Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. Click the red button if you have not and begin to enjoy. Then let's go to my Instagram. I have only one account on Instagram, which is at Chief Imo. You see the way it's being written? You see it exactly the way it's being written. That is what you will search for. Any other Chief Imo whatever Chief Imo Comedy on Instagram, it is not me. Oh, if you give anybody your money for anything, now you sabi. Then let's go to my Facebook page. Wow, I know. When you get to Facebook, the only name you can search me with, or the only place you can get my content on Facebook is Anokute Longinusu and fans. You see the way it's being written? The same way it's being written here, that is the only way you can get me. If you type any other thing apart from this, Ndo na your name. Follow me on Facebook page, follow my Instagram, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel because without you, there's no Chief Imo. And I cannot be what I am today without your support. Those little things you do, those comments you drop, it's really inspiring me a lot. So please, I want you to do more. I want you to, write more. I want you to share more. Anytime you come across any of my program, please make sure you are sharing it so that it will get to the whole world and people will get relieved of their pains and their, that kind of thing. And again, please, in terms of business contact, insist you see my face. Insist on video calls. Make sure you call on video call before you can give anybody your money for anything. Some people you will be deceived. Some people will be carried away by the look of the person chatting you, and you will think it is Chief Imo. Ashi. Anything you want to do, if you don't know me personally or if you don't have my direct contact, if anybody is telling you anything about me, please make sure that person shows you a video call of me. When you hear my voice, when you see my face, you go know. When you see a photo where they enlarge, you keep for house, they go carry your video, put them. The person will go there, another voice go they talk for background. Now you go know. So please don't allow people to take your money unnecessarily. And anybody showing you any fake accounts, any fake alerts, Chief Imo transfer this, that. See, call Chief Imo on video call, let me confess. That is how to do it these days because the world has a lot of evil going around it. If you allow people to use you, please don't come to my page and start crying. I've been saying this for years and I'm saying it again. Please do me that favor and continue to subscribe, continue to do a lot of things, continue to enjoy my programs. Even if I do the one you don't like, please, instead of you to correct negatively or instead of you to comment negatively, you can possibly or you can equally correct with love. And I will adapt to the system and the condition of your correction. You want to go English, because as you see me here, so since 3 days now, I don't read my dictionary so that I will be able to stand and talk to you the way I'm doing. As you can see, I am really doing well because my brain is working. Anybody that tells you that my brain is not working, that person is a nincompoop. You have to go in and Igbo, you have to be proud of yourself because we the Igbo people, got it. We got it. All right, thank you. I love all of you. I love you so much. Your queuing up on my programs is amazing. It's wow. It keeps making me to shout wow. Then the other person will say, I know. Therefor is here for you, and I'm always ready for you. Anything for you gladdens my heart. I love you all, my crew, my family, my brothers, my sisters, and you and me, we are one. Without you, like I said before, I am nobody. Please keep on subscribing, keep on loving, keep on sharing, keep on liking, and God will keep liking whatever you do. And at the end of time, His blessings will be showered upon your family. Whatsoever you lay your hands upon, you will prosper. Because you said, Chief Imo prosper, you too must prosper. In Jesus' name. Amen. I love you. Heaven to be against them. War to be against them. Heaven and earth to be against them. Say it will not be better for you.
Why you laugh? Go with it.
All right. See rolling, pick up. Action.
Imo